Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Mazda CX-90? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a digital display, touchpad-controlled infotainment, and ambient lighting, combining tech and comfort. It also includes advanced safety systems for enhanced driving support. The cluster displays key driving info like speed, RPM, and warnings, using digital or analog gauges behind the steering wheel. The LCD displays key driving information, navigation, and media with clear, high-resolution visuals. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic settings with fast heating and cooling, plus air quality and humidity management. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, brake system warning, lead-acid battery charging, hybrid system warning, remaining high-voltage battery power, charging system warning, output restriction warning, engine oil warning, engine coolant temperature, electric power steering, shift system warning, ABS warning, master warning, brake control system warning, electric parking brake, check engine warning, automatic transmission warning, AWD warning, tire pressure monitoring, DSC indicator, airbag or seat belt, key warning, security indicator, high beam control, eye active sense warning, exterior lights, warning, low fuel warning, check fuel cap warning, engine oil level warning, seat belt warning, low fuel indicator, rear seat alert warning, low washer fluid, door gauge warning, wrench indicator light, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.